Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to play new fishing era on Poppo Live. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live app. The next thing is to log into your Poppo Live account. Log into your Poppo Live account, you just have to click on the live of icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to type in the purpose of your live. I'm going to be leaving it as game. The next thing is type in the option for your live. So we have different option here. I'm making use of phone. I'll leave it on phone. The next thing you have to do is to select the type of live you want to go. So I'm going to be selecting game. Then I have to select the type of game that I want to play, which is new fishing era. Just click on it. Clicking on it, I just have to click on go live. So clicking on go live, you can now start playing your new fishing era with your friends or random user on Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, do all to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified.